Hello, my friends. I'm excited to be back to work on the lesson 6 problem set with y'all. So we're still in module 5 this week of March 30th through April 3rd. We are now on lesson 6, so second lesson in for the week. Today, we're going to be right and drawing the number. And these things called hide zero cards are going to help us. That's just where we have our 10. And then the loose ones we have, we'd put the number on top of the 0 to begin to make what we call teen numbers. So we know that underneath that 3, we can imagine there'd be a 0 though. It's 10. And we covered the 0 ones and put the 3 ones on top of it. And we can imagine that number 13 is being made up of a 10 and 3 ones. Okay, so if we look here, they saw the 10 and they colored in 10 circles. And then they saw the 3 ones are loose ones, so 10 and 3 come together to make 13. If we look here, we see 10 and 5. So I'm going to do little dots, do my 10 circles here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have my 10 circles. And then how many will I draw here? 5, exactly right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so if I cover my 0 with the 5, I still have my 1, but then it's going to be 1 and a 5. So 10, 5 makes the number 15. Exactly right. Okay, 2 more. So here we see 10, 8. So if I have 10, 8, I'm going to draw how many circles? Yep, 10. I'll fill up that 10 frame, 5, and 10. And then how many am I going to draw here? 8. Exactly right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I imagine covering the 0 with my 8, I have my 1 and then 8 loose ones. So 10, 8 is the same as 18, exactly right. And the last thing we're going to do here, we have 10 and 6. So I'll draw my 10 dots out. Yep. And then how many here? 6, exactly right. 4, 5, 6. And so if I imagine covering that 0 with my 6, I still have my 110 and then 6 loose ones, and that makes what number? 16. Now, if you want to push yourself and you feel like you want a little challenge at home, you could write a number sentence to show what we did. So you could go through and say 10, and then how many more ones did we add? 3. Remember, we use the plus sign to show that we are adding. So 10 plus 3 is the same as what number? Yep, it's the same as 13. You can push yourself. Try the next one. 10. Remember that plus sign can be the same as saying and. So 10 and 5. 10 and 5 equals or the same as 15. Exactly right. You can go do those next two on your own, but that's just a fun extension if you want to push your thinking. Thanks for checking in. Look for lesson 7 tomorrow.